Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Access Builds. I got a short little DIY project on my Whirlpool washing machine. I'm going to quickly go over on how to do a hard restart, okay? The reason why you would do this, sometimes it might get stuck in one of the modes, the lid might get stuck where it won't open, and there might be a few other reasons, but if you run into any issue with it, try this first, okay? This is the easiest thing to do, and if this doesn't work, I do have another video, which will link down below, on how to get into the diagnostic code, okay? Use that, and that'll help you figure out what's wrong with your machine. A lot of times, it's just something simple as a little switch, or the little shifter knob, shifter actuator down at the bottom. So, usually it's something simple, but try this first. I think this should help you out. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the model and how to do this. Okay guys, this is the Whirlpool, okay, top loader, WTW 5000 DW1. Now this should work on many different models. So if this doesn't work, there is a manual down here. Okay, you're gonna want to pull the manual out, which you have to pull this off. I have another video on that. You have to pull this off, pull the manual out, and then do the diagnostic code, okay, on how to get into the diagnostic lights and figure out what's going on. But in this video, we're just going to do a hard restart. Like I said, the reason why you would do this is if your lid gets stuck, or if it gets stuck in one of the modes and just blinking away, it won't let you do anything. A lot of times the lid is stuck at that point. So let's put you on the tripod and show you what to do. Alright guys, this is the simplest thing you can do on any machine. Unplug it for usually 10 seconds will work. I recommend going 30 seconds just to make sure your board has no power on it. What you're trying to do here is reset the board. Just like resetting your computer, you're going to reset your board, okay? So the only way to do that is take power off, okay? So unplug it. You're going to let it sit for, like I said, 30 seconds. Okay, I'm not going to sit the 30 seconds. We can just, pretend that I did. But at this point, you're going to plug it back in, okay? And then you're going to go and press this button here 10 times in the first 10 seconds, okay? What that will do is usually you will hear your door unlock, okay? If it doesn't unlock, you will hear the board start up and actually go into sensing mode, and then it usually will allow you to open the door. So let's go ahead and plug it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Now, during all that, there's a little click you'll hear on the board. I will zoom in, and you can listen to that without me talking. You hear that click? Usually it happens around 7 pushes. I recommend doing 10 only just to make sure you've got the board reset. Again, this is a hard reset. It's just like doing Control-Delete on your computer. This is a hard reset for this type of machine. It may work on some other machines, but I know it will work on this machine. Now, once you hear that click, the door will usually unlock and you'll be able to open it up. So it's that simple. Again, if you're not able to unlock or not able to get any of these lights to come out, because sometimes it gets stuck in spin and that light will just blink, usually by doing this you can reset it. But if you can't, I have another video, like I said, with the link down below, and it will show you on how to get into the diagnostic code so you can see what the lights mean and what to fix at that point. And like I said, the manual's down inside here on the front edge. You can use that to figure out what the lights mean. All right. Alright guys, so I hope that helped some of you guys out. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit that little bell for upcoming notifications so I have a lot of cool other videos. I'm building a 68 Volksrod, and I have some other cars that I'm working on and some other equipment. So check it out. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this one.